kitchen, leading into the dining room with the family room past there, another sitting room there. So lots of custom cabinetry, really chunky, thick countertop, and one fridge and one freezer. That goes into the garage. You have a full bath here, which is really nice for coming in from the pool. You have a walk-in pantry off of the dedicated laundry room. So it's very functional. And then you have the walkout to the patio and a step down to the pool and spa.